Hey, I'm Craig with Bath Planet of Atlanta, and these homeowners in Atlanta are going to be coming home today and brushing their teeth tonight in a beautiful new bathroom that is virtually maintenance-free. They could have chosen from a number of companies to do this job for them, but they plan on living here for years. And it just wouldn't make sense for them to wrap their bath in plastic. Bath Planet tears out and removes the old bath right down to the studs and installs the Bath Planet system, molded acrylic, factory made to fit perfectly. It's strong and sturdy as a canopy on a fighter jet. And to keep it sparkling, do that once a year. So if you plan to bathe for years to come, get a quote from Bath Planet of Atlanta on installing a beautiful new bath, usually in a day.
And of course, this company is backed by my $10,000 Make It Right guarantee.